Hey guys, Eric here at Pioneer Survival Company. As you can see, we've got quite a bit of snow from the last storm that came through. And I'm out here with Aaron and Cage, our junior pioneers, and my buddy Eric Hybar. And we thought it would be a good opportunity to go ahead and just try to make a emergency snow shelter. So basically all we're going to do here is just pile up a big pile of snow, hollow out the inside of it, and make a couple adjustments along the way. Stick with me, we'll go ahead and get into it. I think we've had the first fatality. He's having to take a breather. Oh, he's back up. Kid's back, bounce back so quickly. Yep.
Dang it.
All right, well, it's taking us, I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, if that, to get this. Nice.
What's that for?
You gotta have fun while you do this stuff.
Ow. It's on my back.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, it's taking us about 5 or 10 minutes to get a pile about this size, and we're about ready to start hollowing it out. So, you know, we'll get on that. I'll get some close-up video to let you see exactly what we're doing. On the inside, you want to try to keep the thickness of the walls, you know, I would say at least 6 inches, so that it doesn't collapse in on you. And you want to put a slight decline facing outward so that any water melting in there from your body heat will kind of drain out and not get you soaking wet. So let's get to it.
It's on my back and stuff. How about Daddy goes?
All right, so we figured out what direction north was. So in the winter, all of the weather obviously is coming from the northwest, occasionally from the southwest. So we're waiting to put this on the southeast side. That way we're not getting all of the wind blowing into our shelter. I mean, it's pretty simple what we're doing here. As you can see, he's just digging right back in. And then once we get back in there a ways, we'll make it a little bigger to encompass the entire pile.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, guys. Well, we're inside this thing now, and you know, nothing real glamorous about this. You basically just crawl in and you know, dig the snow out with your hands. I've got it about 6 foot now, give or take. I got a little ways left to go back in here, but as you can see, just knocking out a couple handfuls at a time and then scooping it out. And I'm getting pretty close to the outside now because I can see light coming through. So I am going to quit digging that direction now. In fact, I'll probably pile a little bit of snow on the outside there to make sure it doesn't cave in on me. All right, well, let me finish this up and we'll get back to you in a minute. All right, well, we're pretty much done here. We got a very nice opening inside there. Could probably fit 2 people in there. 1 person definitely comfortably. All right. I couldn't see it on camera, it all blended in.
Yeah.
All right, so what we have left to do here, I've pretty much smoothed out the entire floor. I've got a nice angle on it, so hopefully if any of the snow melts, it'll kind of just make its way down to the entrance. Some people even dig a little trench in there to catch any water. Just for demonstration, the kids are going to be playing in this, so I'm not going to You should probably layer about 3 to 6 inches of pine boughs or cedar or grasses or something on the floor. And then throw like an emergency blanket or a trash bag over top of it as a moisture barrier. That way it gets you up off the snow and retains some of the heat. Just for this demonstration though, I'm going to go ahead and throw an emergency blanket over the door here, and I'm just going to put a candle in there. And I don't know, I'll come back in half hour, 45 minutes, something like that. And I have a thermometer. We can check the temperature difference between inside and outside. All right, so what we did here basically is just use the emergency blanket to cover up the entrance here, keep the wind out, a little bit of the heat on. And I have a candle burning on the inside. Let's see if I can reach this without falling. Wow, it's actually warmer than I thought it would be out here. Looks like it's about 36 degrees maybe. So, go ahead and crawl inside here.
Internet says 32.
32?
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll go ahead and crawl inside here and see if it's actually any warmer. And I can already tell you it is substantially warmer in here as soon as I crawl in. I can tell. All right. So it is definitely rising. It's already up to about 42, it looks like, in here. And I mean, just getting out of the wind alone, it makes it feel so much better. Let's see. About 44 now. And just keeps rising, so that's a good sign. You know, with me being in here also, my body heat, just from me breathing and everything, would make this substantially warmer too. Go ahead and do a quick shot so you can see around in here.
Go and get it.
Got the candle back there, and I've got tons of space still. I mean, I actually could have made this a little bit smaller. If it was a true survival shelter, I would have. You know, we wanted to make it big enough for the kids to play in though, so. And then my feet are actually sticking out a little bit right now, but I've got the emergency blanket up. I can scoot back in. I've got another 3 foot probably. So yeah, pretty great. Check the temperature one more time. See where we're at. Yeah, we're up to 54, if you can see that. All right, well, let me go ahead and crawl out of here. All right, well, this has been Eric with Pioneer Survival Company. Check us out on YouTube and Facebook at Pioneer Survival Company, or swing over to our website at pioneersurvivalcompany.com, where we have blog articles, pictures and videos from different trips we've been to. We've also started a new series called Wild in the World, where we explore different state parks and national forests. It's very entertaining. I highly recommend you check that out. Once again, Eric, Pioneer Survival Company. Thanks for watching.